Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to explore Python regular expressions, also known as regex. Regular expressions are powerful tools for pattern matching and manipulation of text. We'll be focusing on solving real-world problems using regular expressions. So let's dive in. Let's begin with the basics of regular expressions in Python. First, you need to import the re module, which is Python's built-in regular expression library. Then, you define a pattern that you want to search for. Some of the common methods used are search, match, and findAll, each serving a slightly different purpose. Groups are used for capturing specific parts of the matched data. Flags can be used to modify the behavior of the search, like ignoring case. Here is a basic example of regular expression pattern matching. We import the re module. Then we define a pattern to match a valid email address. After that, we use the search method to find the pattern inside a given text. If a match is found, we print the matched portion. Let's see how regular expressions can be used in real-world scenarios. One common application is email validation. Here, the problem is to extract all valid email addresses from a document or text input. The challenges involved are handling various domain formats, special characters in the local part, and avoiding false positives. To solve this, we start by importing the re module. Then we define an email validation pattern. After that, we define a text string containing the email addresses that we want to extract. Now, by using the findAll method, we find all valid email addresses present in the text. Finally, we iterate through the emails and print each valid email address. Another real-world example is phone number extraction. Here, the problem is to extract phone numbers in various formats from a given text. The phone numbers can have common formats like 123, 456, 7890, or 123-456-7890, or 123.456.7890. To solve this, we import the re module. Then we define a phone number pattern that can match all the given formats. After that, we define a text string containing the phone numbers that we want to extract. Now, by using the findAll method, we find all phone numbers present in the text. Finally, we iterate through the numbers and print each number. Now, let's discuss some best practices and tips for using regular expressions in Python. Always use raw strings, that is, R, open quotes, pattern, close quotes, to avoid escape character issues. For better performance, compile patterns that you'll reuse. Use name groups, open parenthesis, question mark, capital P, less than sign, name, greater than sign, pattern, close parenthesis for clarity. Test regular expression patterns on small samples first. Use non-capturing groups, open parenthesis, question mark, colon, pattern, close parenthesis when you don't need the match. Consider using verbose mode, that is, re.verbose, for complex patterns. Here are some helpful resources you can refer to: regex101.com, Python redocumentation, and regex1 interactive tutorial. Now let's delve into an advanced example: text parsing. In this case, we're extracting structured data from unstructured text. Consider the problem of parsing log entries. We need to extract information from log entries with timestamps, severity levels, and messages. For example, here is a log format. It contains the date enclosed in square brackets, followed by the error type, followed by a description of the error. To solve this, we import the re module. Then we create a regular expression pattern to match the log format and capture the timestamp, level, and message. After that, we define a log entry string. Now we use the match method to match the pattern against the log entry. If there is a match, we extract the timestamp, level, and message using the groups method. Finally, we print the extracted information. Another useful application of regular expressions is data cleaning, where you standardize and clean text data. Consider the problem of cleaning and standardizing addresses. The aim is to standardize address formats by converting abbreviations like street to street, standardizing apartment or unit formats, and ensuring consistent capitalization. Here is the code. We import the re module. Then we define a function standardize address that takes an address string as input. Inside the function, we use the sub method to replace street abbreviations with the full word street, ignoring the case. After that, we standardize the apartment format by replacing apt with apartment. Finally, the cleaned address is returned. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.